Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a t-shirt in Roblox. So just open up your browser and go to roblox.com. From here, just click on create. Then just wait for the creator studio to come up. From here, on the left hand side, just click on creation. Then from here, just click on avatar items. Then from here, scroll down a bit and you'll see classics. Just click on that. From here, make sure classic t-shirt is selected and scroll down a bit and click on upload asset. Then from here, upload your t-shirt picture. I'm gonna use this. Make sure the asset type is set to t-shirt. Then just give it a name, bird, shirt, or whatever your name is, and give a description. And after that, scroll down a bit and click on upload. Then just wait and you'll see your bird asset over here. As you can see there, just click on it and there you go. You have created a t-shirt. And basically that is how to create a t-shirt in Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.